Today I'm going to try out my newest purchase. I got this tire inflator, digital tire inflator gun. So, pretty self-explanatory. You just air up the tire. It tells you the pressure as you're airing it up. You don't have to air it up, stop, check it with a gauge. So, pretty excited to try this thing out. I got it at my local Menards for $23. Comes with the air fitting, batteries, gauge, hose. It's a quick connect chuck. Has a valve core tool, backlit. So let's open it up and see. Pop this open. Okay. The hose, the fitting, gun. Seems to actually be made out of like a cast metal here. Plastic up here. Good feel in the trigger. So I'm going to put this together and give it a try. First tire I'm going to try is an ATV tire. I deflated it. It doesn't look deflated, but they're low pressure tires anyway. Looks like there we go. Got 4.5 pounds in there, so you can deflate the tire just by pressing this button here. See, we got 3.6. I'm going to air it up to 6.4. So then you can just deflate it. I love it so far. Now I'm going to try a car tire. We got about 25 psi, 24. I don't know if you can see that or not. Air it up. Perfect. And we'll just try it on a bike tire quick here. Got 0 psi in here. I wanted to go to 50, so I'll just back it off a little. Oh man, I really like it. In conclusion, I'm really happy with it. I'd suggest one to anybody, even if you're airing up your bike tires once a year or you air up tires every day. It's a handy tool to have. Get one like it, one similar. You don't have to spend more than 30 bucks. Like I said earlier, I paid 23 for this one, so highly recommend.